Hey everybody, I'm back. So today I'm bringing you my 1/18 scale Motorhelix Maybach 62S Landaulet. Now, from the last time I showed you this video, I believe it was still on the base. Now, I went ahead and took it off the base, and I realized that the wheels it had, one, were glued into that channel where the axle bar goes through, and two, that they were too big for the wheel wells. So I really wanted to get as much usability out of this model as I could. Now, I'm not going to be using it as a play model, but it is nice to have some rolling capability. I picked the wheels up off of eBay for, I think it was could have been about $29 for a pack of 4 axles, and I think about, let me see, 2, 4, 6, 8, about 8 wheels. So it almost looks like the model that was made by Hot Wheels years ago, and that was I think it was a 62. I don't think it was a long wheelbase, but yeah, but that one had all like Hot Wheels custom add-ons and such. So I don't know what that discoloration is, but oh well, it adds to the quirk of the model. So of course, I'll give you a little demonstration. So it now has rolling capability as well as a little bit of suspension. Well, kind of, sort of, but yeah. And again, the top still, or the roof still comes off. So let me get that off right now. Okay. And again, you can see the defroster lines right there. Okay, I'm gonna set that down. Okay, so coming right back to the 62S rear interior. So this is just phenomenal. Yeah, but again, that was a big trick and a half trying to get the axles off. So if you're considering purchasing this model, just be aware that if you want any rolling capability, you're probably gonna have to do a wheel swap. Otherwise, if you want a static model in the acrylic case with the OEM wheels, then yeah, it's for you to decide. Now, these custom wheels, I already understand going in that they're not everybody's cup of English tea, but they do work. So, and that is all I am concerned with. They do work. So let me get the top back on. And as I'm recording right now, I'm trying to figure out where I put the rest of the body pieces for the rear shelf, but oh well, that's a project for later. So again, you can see right into the front. You have your center armrest right there. I guess you can call it moonroof, sunroof. And it's a ridiculously pretty car. That is for sure. And long too. So yeah, again, it is made of a plaster-like material, a very heavy plaster with a pearlescent, it's like a clear coat. So it doesn't feel like clay or any sort of material like that, but it is heavy. So when you get this out of the box, just be aware that it is a heavy model. It's not resin, and excuse me, it is not die cast. I mean, there's probably some die cast parts on it, but For the most part, it is very, very heavy. So, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. You guys take care.